Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted a video letting you know that Microsoft had confirmed over on X that it's going to be rolling out new customization options for the Windows 11 Start menu. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. And this is all in line now with Microsoft saying that this year in 2026, Microsoft is going to be fixing Windows 11. Now, just to let you know about another aspect of the operating system that Microsoft has now confirmed over on X that it's going to be fixing. So if we head to an image, this is currently what the installing Windows 11 screen looks like currently in Windows 11. And as you can see, everything is up here in the top left-hand corner, and you've got all this real estate here to the right-hand side in the middle that's just going to waste. And this is all part of Windows 11's inconsistent design language. And as I've posted previously, the reason why there are legacy components mixed with modern settings and user interface components is because Microsoft doesn't really stick to one idea or a given framework, as I've mentioned in a previous video. And this is just one example of that. Now, this screen, as you may well know, only appears, this installing Windows 11 screen only appears when you install the operating system using the media creation tool or setup found in an ISO image file. But it is a part of the user interface, as you can see, that doesn't really align with Windows 11's overall design language. This is looking like something from the Windows 8 era. Now, once again, just to let you know, that March Rogers, who is Microsoft's design director, who we have been talking about quite a bit over the last couple of weeks, has indicated on X that Microsoft has plans to redesign the Windows installation screen. So if we head over to X, here we can see that Zach Bowden from Windows Central has mentioned this interface is actually hilarious. It doesn't follow any of Microsoft's current design guidelines and is such a poor use of screen real estate. I hope with the company refocusing on craft, it's able to give the install and recovery screens a fresh interface that more closely aligns with Windows 11's design language. And that's the installing Windows 11 screen we just had a look at. And March has this to say. He said, "This screen is on our craft list, and this is not the first feature to be on Microsoft's craft list. It's very rarely seen, so we've prioritized other UI craft projects above it, but we'll get there." So interesting stuff. It is a lesser known feature, so to speak, and I don't think too many Windows users actually see that screen, but nice to know that it is on Microsoft's craft list and on their radar. So Microsoft has lots to do this year in 2026, as we have been talking about, fixing Windows 11. And as I get the information, obviously, I'll try and keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.